Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Masinjeri. Today we are doing a house tour of this 4-bedroom own compound in White House here in Nakuru. So just in case you're looking for a house, an own compound to be specific, you have to watch this video till the end because you're not ready for this one. So starting from this point, this is the garage. So we have the garage here. So yeah, it was locked. That's why I was not able to show you. And that is the gate. And you have this parking also here. So just in case you have you have visitors, you don't have to worry about the parking. So you can see how the manicure has been done in this area. You can see, look at it. It's so beautiful. And you have this kitchen garden over here, which has lots and lots of things planted over here. So this is where we have the main entrance of the house. So you can see this is where you can see everything on the outside. And then we have this door, which so you can see that even the windows, they have very nice grills for the security purposes. So security here is okay. And we have a nearby school, by the way. So we have schools around and churches. So this is the living room, which is, I really loved this house in terms of space. This person was very generous with space. You can see that the living room is very, very spacious, and I love the way he has put these grills. So this means that your security is very tight. So no one can get into the house through the window because the window has extra grills. So yeah, this is the dining area. So we have this dining area here, which is a bit also very spacious. So next to this dining area here is the kitchen. So from the dining, you can be able to see through the kitchen. We also have this sink over here. When you guys want to eat, you just wash your hands over here, and then you can see. So let's go to the kitchen, which is also very, very spacious, has a lot of extra storage just in case you have utensils. I think this storage is just more than enough. And so from the kitchen, this house also has a pantry. So this is the pantry where you can store, your extra foodstuffs. So it's a bit also very spacious considering it's a pantry. So yeah, that's it. So it's just next to the kitchen. And before we proceed, guys, if you've not subscribed, please like the video and also subscribe. You've been broken down. So from the kitchen we head over to the bedrooms, and we're going to start with this bedroom. So remember, all the windows have this kind of a grill, and they also have a closet. So this is the first bedroom, and so we head over to the second bedroom, which has a purple walling. You can see it also has a closet. So for those 2 bedrooms, we have 2 washrooms for them. So this is the first washroom for the first bedroom. So each one of them belongs to each bedroom for the 2 bedrooms. So these ones, this is another washroom, which can be shared. They are not in the same, so it's a kind of ensuite and also not ensuite, you know. So guys, this is the 3rd bedroom, as you can see, but still this is not the master bedroom. So this one has closets, it doesn't have a washroom. So this one shares the washrooms with washrooms that I've shown you that are over there. So yeah, that's it about the 3 bedrooms. Now let's head over to the master bedroom. So guys, now this is the master bedroom and we're going to start with the washrooms. So we have this sink over here, and this is the washroom of the master bedroom. So you can see how spacious it is. So this is the 4th bedroom. So we have that washroom and a shower as well, and somewhere to place your soap over here and an extra tap. So guys, this is the door that leads now to the bedroom. So you have a socket over here just in case you want to charge your phone. You have that socket and you can see it is very huge and it has a natural light, and then it has these closets over here. So, and then we have this corridor over here, and this is the back of this house. So we have a very large space here where you can even keep your chicken or any other thing that you may think of, any idea that you may have. You can do a lot with this space. And also this is where you have your hanging lines where you can hang your clothes. Yeah, it's very, this house is really beautiful, as well as it's very, very spacious, considering that it has a piece of land on this other side. You see, and then water, you have these tanks, so you'll never lack water in this house. And then yeah, you can see the tanks, you can see the tank over here. And then you can see that this house has been decorated with different types of stones, you see. And yeah, this is the kitchen garden that I was telling you about. This house is in White House, Nakuru. So if in case you're looking for a 4-bedroom own compound. This is your house to go. It's going for only at 35,000 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, a deposit of 1 month and 1 month payment. So yeah, you can call me on the number in the screen and we can make your arrangement for the site visit. So please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.